What's up, guys? It's August 21st, 2024. Sideways day in the market. Not fun. I got shredded. Expanding triangle open tore me up, and then I just caught it early. I was pretty frustrated with the day. Yeah, I hope you guys did better than I did. Buy low, sell high. Pretty much my worst days. Here we go. There's like a double top. Is this line straight? It's not. There we go. So about kind of it's pretty much double top. All right, so opening of the day, small gap up. Bar one's a bear bar. Or excuse me, daily chart. Bulls. Didn't I? I swear I drew a gap there, or I guess I didn't. Okay. Another gap on the daily. Bulls didn't make a new high, but they closed above yesterday's high. Good for the Bulls. Obviously, Bears don't like that. I kind of thought we were gonna pull back a little bit with bad follow through, but it's taking a while. I mean, it's a strong trend, so it'll take a lot of time to turn over or roll over, whatever you want to call it. Think about a boat in the ocean. It takes a long time to turn. It doesn't just make a sharp turn. Too bad I couldn't think about that when I was trading today. Okay, so we have a gap up. Just want to see how many we got. Multiple closes above the breakdown. Multiple. We don't have two closes above this breakdown yet. Gap down. Excuse me. Gap up. Bear bar. Bar one. Testing the previous swing high from yesterday. Bar 60's high. Bar two. Bull bar. A lot of overlap. More sideways than going up. Bar three. Again, more overlap than going up. Doesn't make a new high. It makes a new high, but closes right above. Bar two's close. Bar three. Bar four. At follow through. Trades higher. Trapping the bulls and reverses lower. Bar five. Inside bar. Leg one. Pullback leg two. Possibly opposite bar leg two as well. Bar six gives us a leg one. Pullback leg two appearance. With bar four being the middle leg. Bar seven rallies and sells off. More sellers at the highs than buyers. Bar seven, 8. It's a bear bar, not good for the bulls, creating a double top, kind of a head and shoulders on a smaller time frame. Here, 1, 2, and 3. That sells off into the EMA. Bad close. Bad close below the EMA. We will see a bar closing far below the EMA. Bears are going to get the breakout. Bar 9, bar 10. Sells off and reverses higher. Not an outside bar because it doesn't close above bar 9's high. But it traps bears and bulls buy to the high of the range. Bar 11, bad follow through. Bar 12, more sideways price action. Kind of like a fractal expanding triangle on right there. Expanding triangles are tough. 13, the range is getting bigger. New low, but not a new high. 3 pushes down, right? That's a wedge bottom. 1, 2, 3 versus higher. Bar 13, 14, strong bull bar breaking past all these bars. But look at 7's high, and look at 13's close. So although 13 is a good bar, it's a trend bar. It's only breaking out about 1/4 of the way past the swing high put in by bar 7. So it's not the strongest breakout. I bought that and got trapped. 15 looks like it's good follow through, but there's no tail. So limit order traders don't get filled here. And bulls buy, and there is a tail up top. So limit order traders don't get filled, and bulls are selling out of their longs at highs. 16, strong bear bar, breaking past below 15's low. I held my long pretty much through most of this candle and got trapped, and then I kind of just was over it for the day. 16, 17, strong bear bar. It looks like it's just strong break. It looks like it's a strong bear bar breaking past the EMA. Breaks past below many bars. Excuse me, I said that wrong. Breaks. Yeah, so bears have control over price, but bulls have control over time. Control over time is more important. 18 bad follow through. 19 bulls are going for a reversal. 20 another bull bar. Push 1, push 2. 21 bulls are going for another breakout above the EMA, but bears still have a gap open right here. The bulls are not closing the gap. Bad follow through. Sideways price action creates a double top here. Lower high double top. Bear flag. 27, 28. Follow through for the bear breakout. 30 good follow through. 31 selling off into the EMA. Testing yesterday's low. We don't get there. About 8 points away. Higher time for EMA is acting as support. Bulls are buying support and it's starting to rally up. So we have 3 pushes down. 1, 2, 3. That creates a wedge bottom. Bulls start to get a buy the close rally, but I think it's kind of a hard buy. To get a breakout above the EMA, but it takes a little bit of time for the bull leg to get going. It's more sideways. It is a buy the close rally. There's trending lows and trending highs. Pause bars on the EMA. They're starting to become multiple gaps. There's a gap here. There's a gap here and here, so that's good for the bulls. Bears are getting trapped, that means. Market goes more sideways. After bulls try to make a new high above 21. Starting to become a double top. Trading at the previous swing high, so it's range bound price action. Market goes more sideways, 52. Bulls start to get a strong bear bar. Can look like a bull flag. Bears may be getting trapped on 51, going short into the EMA. Looking to front run and breakout, double top, reversal. However, bulls get their reversal, trapping bears here. So limit order bears are trapped with this gap above 51, below 53. 54, bad follow through. 55, outside bar. Traps bears shorting below 54 and reverses higher, trapping bulls. Bulls that bought the high of 54 are sitting at break even unless they scalped out. 55, again, more sideways price action. So, wait a second, excuse me. So, yeah, way more sideways price action. I think it was a tough day to trade. You had to sit through a lot of pullbacks or a lot of sideways price action. It's a TTR. I'll suggest we don't trade in these. Here we see a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Pretty nice, pretty hard to trade. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. And then bulls get a third leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. The low of this bull leg starts there. The end of, so this would be an inflection point. Like, I think that's what it's called. The bear trend ends there. The bull trend starts where the bear trend ends. Goes higher for 3 legs. It's a wedge top in a range. And I don't know what is up with me. The heat is getting to me today. Yeah, so, or maybe I'm just I am a little bit tired. I gave up all my profits, everything again. But I made it pretty far without having a catastrophic day. So, somewhat, but good, I guess. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are doing good. Please keep studying. Use your stop loss. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'll bring the energy. I'm tired, man. Alright, guys. Have a good one. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you for your support. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.